Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Rizki Pranata, and in this video I'm going to talk about the basic concepts of organization in human resource management. This topic is important because organizations are the main platform where people work together to achieve common goals. While human resource management, or HRM, plays a key role in managing the people within it. Through this discussion, we will learn what an organization is, its key elements, functions, structures, and principles, as well as its close relationship with HRM. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clearer understanding of how organizations function as dynamic systems and how people act as their driving force. Definition of organization. In general, an organization can be defined as a group of people who work together in a structured and coordinated way to achieve specific objectives. According to Chester and Barnard, an organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities or forces of two or more persons. Meanwhile, Stephen P. Robbins describes an organization as a consciously coordinated social unit composed of two or more people that functions on a relatively continuous basis to achieve a common goal. From these definitions, we can conclude that an organization is not just a group of individuals, but a structured system with clear rules, relationships, and goals that direct collective human effort. Characteristics of an effective organization. An effective organization displays several key characteristics. First, it has a clear purpose, so that every member understands the direction and objectives of their work. Second, there is an organized structure, ensuring roles, responsibilities, and authority are well defined. Third, effective communication allows information to flow smoothly between leaders and members. Fourth, the organization is adaptive to change, capable of adjusting to technological, social, and economic developments. Lastly, it maintains a positive organizational culture built upon shared values such as teamwork, discipline, respect, and responsibility. When these characteristics are present, the organization will be more resilient and productive. Core elements of an organization. Every organization consists of several essential elements. The first element is people, the human beings who make decisions, perform tasks, and drive the organization's activities. The second is purpose, which gives meaning and direction to the organization's existence. The third element is structure, which defines the hierarchy, authority lines, and division of labor. The fourth element is resources and technology, including capital, facilities, tools, and information that support operations. Finally, there is the organizational environment, which includes external factors such as social, economic, and political conditions that affect organizational performance. The harmony among these elements determines the success or failure of an organization. Functions and roles of an organization. Organizations serve several vital functions in both society and the workplace. First, they act as a platform for collaboration, where individuals with diverse backgrounds and skills can work together toward shared goals. Second, they serve as a coordination mechanism, ensuring that activities among departments align with one another. Third, organizations function as a system of division of labor, where responsibilities are distributed according to each member's competence. Additionally, they act as a place for personal and professional development, providing members with opportunities to learn, innovate, and grow. In short, an organization is not only a place to work but also a space to develop one's potential and contribute to collective success. Types of organizational structures. There are several common types of organizational structures. Line organization, a simple structure with a direct chain of command from top management to lower levels. Common in military or small organizations. Functional organization. Work is divided based on specific functions such as finance, production, or marketing. Line and staff organization combines the line system with specialized staff who provide technical or advisory support to leaders. Matrix organization. Employees report to two managers, one functional and one project-based. This structure is flexible and often used in large or complex projects like technology or construction. Network organization, a modern structure based on partnerships and digital collaboration between different organizations or individuals. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages depending on organizational goals and size. The relationship between organization and human resource management. Organizations and human resource management, HRM, are deeply interconnected. The organization serves as the framework, while HRM is the driving mechanism that ensures people work effectively within that framework. HRM's primary role is to attract, recruit, develop, and retain competent employees who can help the organization achieve its objectives. It also focuses on building motivation, designing fair reward systems, and ensuring employee well-being. Through effective HRM practices, an organization can foster productivity, harmony, and loyalty. Without proper HRM, an organization is merely a structure, but with it, the structure becomes a living, dynamic system driven by human potential. The role of people in the organizational structure. In every organizational hierarchy, people occupy various interconnected roles. Leaders are responsible for setting the vision, mission, and long-term strategies. Middle managers coordinate operational activities and act as a bridge between executives and employees. Frontline workers execute daily tasks and are essential in turning plans into results. Each role contributes uniquely to the organization's success, and none can function effectively in isolation. HRM ensures that each individual understands their duties, performs effectively, and collaborates harmoniously with others. When every member contributes according to their role, the organization moves steadily toward its goals. Fundamental principles of organization. To operate effectively, an organization must uphold several basic principles. Clarity of purpose. Every member must understand the organization's vision and mission. Unity of command. Each employee should receive orders from only one direct superior. Delegation of authority. Leaders must entrust tasks and empower subordinates to make decisions. Coordination and communication. Smooth communication avoids duplication and conflict between departments. Balance between responsibility and authority. Authority must match the level of responsibility assigned. Flexibility and efficiency. The structure must adapt to environmental changes without losing effectiveness. Following these principles helps maintain order, harmony, and efficiency within the organization. Organizational culture and work values. Organizational culture refers to the shared system of values, beliefs, and behaviors that shape how members interact and work together. A strong culture fosters identity, loyalty, and commitment. For example, companies like Google and Toyota are known for cultures emphasizing innovation, teamwork, and continuous improvement. Core work values such as honesty, discipline, collaboration, and accountability play a major role in maintaining positive culture. In HRM, organizational culture becomes a strategic tool for shaping employee behavior and aligning individual goals with the organization's overall mission. A healthy culture not only increases performance, but also enhances job satisfaction and long-term stability. Organizational challenges in the modern era. Modern organizations face a variety of challenges in managing human resources. Technological advances, including automation and artificial intelligence, are reshaping the nature of work. The rise of Generation Z in the workforce introduces new expectations around flexibility, creativity, and digital integration. Global competition pushes organizations to be more efficient and innovative, while issues like work-life balance and employee well-being demand greater attention. Additionally, crises such as pandemics and economic fluctuations test an organization's resilience. To overcome these challenges, organizations must be adaptive, innovative, and human-centered, combining technology with empathy to build sustainable success.